Hi everyone, after checking this great 3D flipbook magazine component in Framer by David McBacon, I wanted to create a simple illustrated story using Firefly and Adobe Express, and then thought it would make a great tutorial. You can see there's a nice loop animation going on while we weave the cover of our mini storybook, and there's also a nice hover effect. We can click to view the next page. And browse the book. We can go back by clicking the left page, then continue. And we can also rotate the magazine by clicking on holding, thanks to built-in orbit controls. And of course, as soon as we release the mouse button, the page we're hovering is gonna be flipped. We can even add a back cover, as you see here. You can find the links for the file and the component in the description, and let's get started. Let's check 3D magazine component options. You can see it's really straightforward. We have our images here. We can remove any of them by clicking the X button, as you guess, or replace them by just clicking the image and using the upload pop-up. Basically regular Framer upload options. You can also change the order of the images by clicking and dragging. And of course we can add a new image using this button. Other than images, I only edited the hover color under page config option. You can see I use a nice dark blue with just 1% alpha to create that nice hover color. Honestly, these are all the options you need to create your own interactive 3D magazine. Since defaults for other settings and having the orbit controls create a great experience, but tweaks for appear and float animations, even auto flip option can be found under the animation settings here. And you have also settings for camera, orbit controls and lights, but I won't get into them to keep the tutorial shorter. You can check and see if you need to tweak those. Since generating a consistent character and visuals is essential for an online magazine or storybook, I'd like to also mention my process in Firefly boards. I used Firefly boards since it's great for organizing the visuals. First, I created a character sheet, as you see here. You can just prompt for a character sheet for consistency, including transforms like rotation and some movements and even gestures, including also a color palette to keep the visuals consistent. Let's select the first image and load its prompt, which is actually the cover image. We can see how I used the character sheet as a reference image and refer to it in the prompt, saying robot in the reference image. Included also the color palette and indicated I don't want any text, logos, numbers, etc. Of course, you can also generate this prompt using ChatGPT or another LLM like I did. And starting with the third prompt, let's load it. I used an additional reference image, which is the image 2 or first pages image, to make sure the environment and city visuals are also consistent. And after generating all of the images I need, I added text on them in Adobe Express, since I can easily copy the images as PNGs in Firefly boards using this option. And in Express, we can just create a new page with the same size, paste the PNG we copied, resize it. After clicking the text tool, we can add our text and basically select one of the recommended fonts and change its color, basically style it as we want, adding also stroke if we want that, and adjusting its thickness, placing it where we want, etc. After finishing the design of all pages, we can download either only the selected page or all pages, and we can select also JPEG for optimized file size. Then download and use it in Framer as we want. 3D magazine component is very easy to use, as you see, and highly recommended. As I said, you can find the remix link and also a link to the free component in the description. And that wraps up our tutorial. I hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see more, and see you in the next one.